Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a very simple and healthy, dairy-free and sugar-free summer cooler recipe ideal to include in your weight loss diet. A perfect, healthy and refreshing summer drink, especially for those with health issues like thyroid and PCOS. So let's get started with the recipe. Into my small stone grinder, I'm adding in 4 to 5 cardamoms. And I'm lightly crushing the cardamoms. Once the cardamoms are crushed, remove the seeds and then powder the cardamom seeds. Freshly ground cardamom gives an amazing flavor, so try not to skip this process. First, I'm going to make a vegan dairy-free flavored milk, and for that I have already soaked 10 to 12 cashew nuts or about a handful of cashew nuts. Instead of cashew nuts, you can use overnight soaked and peeled almonds. Into my small chutney grinder, I'm adding in the soaked cashew nuts. I soaked the cashew nuts for about 10 to 15 minutes. Into this, I'm adding in some water. I have measured half cup of water. I'm adding 1/4 cup of water into the small chutney grinder. For natural sweetness, I'm using 1 soft medjool dates. Note that the dates I'm using is very soft. If the dates you are using is not soft like mine, you may need to soak it along with the cashew nuts. So basically we are making a cashew milk which is sweetened with dates, and for flavor I'm adding in the freshly ground cardamom powder. And now I'm going to blend this really well. Okay, now it's nicely blended, and as you can see it is slightly thick. So into this I'm adding in the rest of the measured water, that is 1/4 cup of water from the half cup of water I had already measured. And I'm adding in another 1/4 cup of water, and I'm going to blend this again. Okay, now the cashew milk is nicely blended. I'm going to transfer this into another cup. Altogether I added 3/4 cup of water. You can see how thick and creamy the cashew milk is. Naturally sweetened cashew milk is ready. This cashew milk is thick and creamy and perfectly blended. And now I'm going to keep this aside. This is 1 cup of chopped and deseeded watermelon cubes. So what I've done is, after chopping it, I kept it in the refrigerator. So this is very chilled watermelon cubes. I'm adding the watermelon cubes into the serving glass. Now into the cashew milk, I'm adding in about 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of soaked sabja seeds. Sabja seeds are also known as basil seeds. Sabja seeds has cooling properties, hence it's ideal to use in the summers. And pour the prepared flavored cashew milk over this. Some extra watermelon cubes on top to garnish. And lastly, I'm garnishing it with a sprig of fresh mint leaves. And my super healthy watermelon milk is ready to serve. You can enjoy this as a refreshing summer snack any time of the day. So guys, do try this healthy dairy-free watermelon milk and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.